Sending money to loved ones in India can be simple and secure, and today, we're going to show you exactly how to do it using Worldremit. First, head over to Worldremit's website or open the mobile app. If you're new to Worldremit, click on Sign Up. You will need to enter your email address, create a secure password, and provide your country of residence. Make sure all the information is accurate. Then agree to the terms and conditions. Click Register and verify your email. Now that you're logged in, select India as the country you're sending to. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to send. The platform will automatically show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. This usually includes their full name, address, and contact number. The specific information required can vary depending on the delivery method you choose. Speaking of delivery methods, Worldremit offers several options for sending money to India, including bank transfers, cash pickup, mobile money, and even airtime top-up. Select the one that best suits your recipient's needs. Choose your preferred payment method to fund the transfer. Worldremit typically accepts debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Enter your payment details securely. Before finalizing the transfer, double-check all the details you've entered: the recipient's information, the amount, and the payment method. If everything looks correct, confirm your transaction. Once your transfer is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message with a transaction reference number. Share this number with your recipient so they can track the transfer. And that's it. You've successfully sent money to India using Worldremit. It's a convenient and reliable way to connect with your loved ones across borders.